Hello guys, welcome to another episode of This versus That. Today I want to do a little test on the audio for the Osmo Pocket. If you guys have seen Osmo Pocket, a lot of people say that the audio is great, and I want to put that to the test. I am actually out here. Oh, focus. There we go. So I am out here by a pond with a little water feature. You see there? And it's fairly loud whenever I do my recordings. I keep forgetting how loud that thing is. So I tend to hate that thing. And so today, because of the sound test that we're going to be doing with this Osmo Pocket, I want to show you guys what the audio is like right out of the camera. And so there's a couple of mic ports on this thing. One is at the bottom, the other one is in right in front of me right here. So you guys are probably hearing it pretty clearly. A lot of people said if you don't use if you don't hold your finger over the mic port, the sound should sound just fine. So I just wanted to demonstrate a few things. So right now it's looking at me. I am facing away from the water. So the audio is probably sound pretty darn good. And now what I wanted to see is how much noise does it cancel out if I were to talk with the mic facing that way. And so right now, facing that way, the mic port is right in front of me here, and it's probably picking up a lot of noise. Now I'm going to turn around and I'm going to face the mic this way. Maybe the sound isn't as significant right now. So anyway, I just want to do the little test to let you guys see how great the audio quality is on this Osmo Pocket. I've used this for about 2 months now, and I noticed that whenever I'm talking like this, it sounds great. But then when someone's talking to me in front of the camera, if I were to flip over and walk like this, and someone was to talk to me, it actually sounds horrible. So yeah, I was pretty disappointed with some of the footage that I got from it. So what I did was I went out, I looked at a bunch of audio solutions. It sounds like you have to get the official audio adapter from DJI, because a lot of the other audio adapter out there, even though some people claim that it does work, it doesn't work. And so that's what I did. I bought the audio adapter from DJI. It just came in. It was back order for a while. The mic that I looked at, there was not a lot of mic that are small enough for me to use. And so I saw this little mic online on Amazon. I'll link this down in the description. But this little mic by Saramonic, it's tiny, and so I can actually plug this in here. There you go. And so it's kind of like that. So whenever I am recording, holding and recording, I can just flip it around in that way. So I can go front, and then I can change the audio to the back. I actually have not tested this out. This is my first time actually using this, and so we're gonna play around with this, and you guys tell me what you guys think, because actually I have not. Ooh, I think I got dirt in it. I'm sitting out here with the wind blowing and dirt got into the little port. So anyway, notice the audio suck on here. Loud background noise. We're gonna plug this in. We're gonna test it. I have not tested myself, so we're gonna test it together. All right, so there you have it. Okay, so the GoPro's recording. I'm gonna see if I can use this mic here. Let's plug it in and see if the audio quality improves. Okay, so right now I'm talking with the internal mic. Now I'm plugging it in. Okay, now let's see if the audio quality improves at all. that's the mic plug-in right now. If you see this on the GoPro. And so anyway, again, the mic is facing away from the water fountains. And so hopefully it blocks out some of the noise. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the mic around and still talk. There you go, the mic's turned around. I'm still talking, but now it's facing the water fountain, so it should pick up a lot more of that. It should. Again, I haven't tested this, and you guys are actually testing it with me right now. Hopefully the audio improves, because that audio adapter right there costs like $40, and this Saramonic mic costs like 25 bucks. So that's like a $65 setup just to improve the audio quality. And I hope it improves. So now I'm just gonna flip this baby over again. There's actually a little wind. I don't know if you guys can see or not, or if you can hear in the audio. But there's a little wind blowing. Yeah, there's a little wind blowing. But yeah, hopefully it sounds better, because I did invest $65 more into my Osmo Pocket in order to improve the sound quality. So, well, let's walk around and talk. The tracking on this, I don't know about this one. The tracking isn't the best in the world. I can say that. I mean, it loses tracking a lot. And right now the mic is actually facing towards me. As you can see right here. But most of my situation for vlogging would probably be like this, where the mic is in front of me. But let's say I want to turn it around and kind of let the other person talk a little bit and record a little bit more. And so that's the kind of situation that I'm looking for. Let me turn the mic back around. There you go, now the mic's turned back around. So anyway, I hope this little test helped you guys determine if you should spend $65 on an audio adapter. I may rig this up a little bit and use my Rode mic, which I've been using a lot on my mirrorless camera. All right, guys, so that's it for us. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Let me know what you guys think about this little audio adapter thing. You know, I guess it sounds good. I mean, when the wind's blowing it, I guess. I mean, I guess it sounds good, but I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. If you like this episode, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to us yet, please do so. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.